What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Real Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, and tell your mama and them, because we litty over here. And y'all, without further ado, I let the giveaway go as long as possible to give everybody a chance to enter. And we only have one family member to enter. So Larry Modest, what's happening? What's up? What's up? Everybody say congratulations to the family member, Larry Modest. You are the winner of the vintage Fendi, what did I say it was called? It's the vintage Fendi bag. You are the winner once again. Thank you for participating. I really do appreciate it. You are the winner. I already got your information, so you already know how we roll. Okay. So if you can give me until next week to send it off. Well, I'm gonna have somebody send it off because y'all know me. I in the house recovering. So yeah, Larry, if you can give me until, I want to say until like next Friday to send it off, and then I'll send you the tracking information. So once again, congratulations to Larry. You are the winner of the Fendi bag. Once again, we don't have no sore losers here, y'all. Y'all know we always got giveaways popping off on this channel. I want to say thank you for everyone that always support me. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.